Hello everyone, my name is Vivian. I'm from Toronto in Canada. I am fully recommending Stylemix. First of all, they have very nice WordPress things, and I am using Moto Sync 3. So the first time when I saw this demo, I was so shocked. Moto thing have all the function, whatever I can picture. They have there already, so that's amazing. For me, I just simply installed it. It's quite easy. Yeah, it's quite easy, and also they have amazing supporting team. I have to say they're amazing. Every time when I send my customized request to them, they always respond me in a very short time, and they never ever leave my request over the night and solve up the problem very fast in a fast way. Yeah, that's amazing. The past, that's a few months, the cooperation, that work together with them is very happy. And Stylemix, really their supporting team is amazing. I used to work with some local Toronto developer, local Toronto team, right? No one is comparable with them. Stylemix, they're the best. Thank you.